FRS Roofing plus Gutters is your trusted local expert for top-notch roofing services in Lexington, Massachusetts. With years of experience, our skilled team ensures your roofing project is completed with precision. As a reputable and experienced roofing contractor, we will provide you with the best advice on the ideal roofing material for your home. We guarantee correct and efficient installation, ensuring long-lasting protection for your property. Our comprehensive services include roof replacement, repair, and maintenance, tailored to your specific needs. We use high-quality materials to ensure durability and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether it's a minor repair or a complete roof overhaul, our team is equipped to handle it all. We also specialize in gutter installation and maintenance, protecting your home from water damage. Our commitment to excellence means you receive unparalleled service and superior craftsmanship. We pride ourselves on being a reliable partner in maintaining your home's value and safety. We will also be able to ensure that the roof is properly maintained and repaired when necessary. Trust FRS Roofing plus Gutters for all your roofing services in Lexington. We're here to keep your home secure and beautiful. Call us at 78132262252 today. You may also visit us at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington. FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted roofing partner in Lexington.